They start running at you.
Whose line do you got? You got your brother's?
You got mine?
No, keep reeling, keep reeling.
Yeah,
Here, keep reeling, he's running at you. Reel. Reel. There you go.
Yeah, you got mine. I got you. Oh, you got it.
He tried to trick you. He came running right at the boat. Ooh-wee. Oh, your bait came off? Taking a break or you want?
No, I took it off to get this fucking line that was hanging on. That's a good one.
Tighten my drag a little bit. Nope, you're good. Turn this way. There you go. He's getting down in the grass.
Oh yeah, he's in the grass now.
Good there, now just lift him. That's a good one.
That's a nice one. 29. Now you need a picture right there. Off the bail.
Yeah, that's a picture one there. Turn around. One fish too.
Oh, mine just got hit. Mine got hit. I got it.
Oh, another one.
More.
This Jimmy kid.
Man, he is in heaven right now.
I love Rexy. I'm telling you, when I get my golden retriever, it's gonna be called Red. I'm naming him Red.
It's nice when they cooperate, when they're eating. When they're not eating, it's like this morning, you got to work for them. It's like, ah, where are they at?
Down two fingers, man. Little one.
I don't know.
One.
You look like you're struggling.
Yeah.
You see drag. Still recording?
Yeah, I left it recording.
These are spiders on this one.
Full of energy. Getting in that grass.
My
Yep.
goodness.
Oh, he's alive.
Oh!
Nope.
Yeah.
That's a good fish.
Very lively.
Nice, back to back. Good stuff.
They're here on pinfish. Like, yeah. And you caught that nice trout too.
Just reel. There you go.
All right, now you trust me. Yep, you trust me. Go over and under. Over and under. Lift up, man. Lift up. All right. Keep it up.
Nope, go back around. There you go.
I felt that one hit. I was like, yeah, that's.
Thought you were gonna let these guys catch some more. Yeah, ate the throat. Running at the boat.
There he's running. You see that? He saw you and poof.
He's like, I know that boat.
There he goes. Come on. He's gonna be on this side for land. Yeah, one last little run.
Good fish. Getting good.
Alright, you ready? There's a rainbow in him.
Throw down a little more.
These fish love.
They love getting under the boat. Good fish, good fish.
Skinny one.
Yeah.
Tell us which way he's going. Because I'll
He's
move mine.
straight out. He's kind of going to the right a little now. Good fish. You should be fine.
Attaboy, Trey.
That's a big one. Trey just got a bigger one. That's 30.
I don't know. It feels less aggressive than the other two.
Yeah, it's
See
too
if he has
heavy.
a line
Yeah,
hanging
but
out.
look at how big that is.
Yeah.
That wake is huge, Trey.
Yeah.
Is the camera on?
Yep.
Yeah. That's a good one.
He's running out now. You want to go ahead and cast over as far as you can, get out there?
When it's time, you tell me
Yep,
when.
you go ahead. He'll be good. Yep. There you go, perfect.
You run that, all right?
He's over there.
Stuff, man. Good stuff.
That's a good one. Crazy what 15-pound ray can do.
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah,
big
these
one.
reels are only 7 pounds max drag. So, I mean, you should never really break the line with the drag lockdown.
All you gotta do that is lift your line up. Yeah.
You'll be fine, I think.
Oh, we got to really get a good look on him.
Good Lord.
Yeah. You wanna go over here? Or... Oh, he's turning. He's turning. He's coming back.
Yeah, and he's coming back. There you go. Keep pulling him this way.
Oh, good job. This sounds like a 25.
Yeah. Sounds right.
Kind of go down 1 or 2 more times. 1 more time, and then you have to lift him.
Oh, he definitely did. Down a bit. There we go. Good
That's a
stuff.
good one.
They like doing that.
That's a good
That's
one.
a fat one.
Yeah.
Woo! He's running with it, so. That's
One,
another big one.
once he gets closer, just shoot it. Get up, yeah, get up where the car's going.
I do mine.
Yeah. But stand up where he's at, and then you'll be able to get a good pass. You have plenty of room behind you.
24. It's gonna be bigger than the one live one. I know. You see that little run he did? Right.
Good job, Jim.
Pinfish, man, they always work too.
Yeah.
Seems like any time of the year.
If we threw greenbacks, I mean, it's harder with multiple people throwing greenbacks because of course they swim around, they get tangled and stuff. And the wind, it makes it hard to cast them. So I mean, you can still get a lot of bites on them, but right now it seems like they've been really on pinfish.
Oh, yeah. 24.
Oh, that's a catfish.
Dang it. Yeah. That's not like 22. Right? 22.
Good one. It's bigger than the other ones.
Going in with the boat. Oh.
Yeah, as soon as they see that, they want to get under there.
Good stuff.
Good job.
Good job, Jim.
The fish slayer, he's back.
Dad,
And the fish moving.
That's a good one.
All right. That's why I seen some boils right there. That's why I was like, leave it there because he's.
I felt the one hit. I was like, that's it. I kind of moved forward when you said, and Dad's like, oh, you should move forward, take a picture with him. I'm like, I'm moving forward because I felt that hit. Like, I know I have to hit, Trey.
You might beat your big fish now.
Oh boy.
I don't know, it's going to be close. It's going to be about the same size.
Cumulative score.
Oh yeah.
I got 4 now if I get this one. Next to those rocks though.
Yeah, you were just in front of those rocks.
Pin drop.
Heavy. It reminds me of the one that I got, the 26.5-inch one.
Yeah.
Kind of same, like, the same rod that I used. Same
Just
reel.
say hi. I don't
Heavy.
think so, buddy. You did it. You did it.
Yeah, I like how those reels are water, basically sealed system, and then how smooth the drags are.
Very smooth. You want to reel the rest of this in if you
No.
want to feel it. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, good fish.
Close to a 20. It might be over.
Close to a 20. That is a big one.
Yeah, we'll measure that. I'm gonna say
Yeah, it looks bigger.
25.
26.
Can you call that from here?
26.
Yeah,
it a
maybe
shark?
Bigger.
That's bigger than the ones I got. Golly, Jim. Jesus, monsters.
Yeah,
There's a
that,
spot.
yeah, that might be, he's gonna be close.
It's gonna be.
He might be too big.
Oh, coming out. There he goes. Holy
Yeah, that might be
shit.
too big.
Ready?
Pretty close.
There you go. Oh my God.
Yeah,
Great
that's a
Googling.
picture-worthy one right there.
Put the head down at that end.
Beautiful, ain't it? Come on, Dad. You gotta take the picture.
No, it's your fish.
I got my.
Yep, that was them. There's a few of them moving around.
Running right up the boat. Put up a fight for a little while.
Yeah.
He blew it right on the surface on it.
He said he thought he had one.
I had one. I had a weird fight. And I was like, that's something.
You caught that stingray?
Yeah. Oh, we got fish. He's going over there.
That's a good one.
Good job.
22, 23. Just feels so comfortable. This reel, it's so smooth.
Good Lord.
Your back is. Oh, you see that
Little
head
head shake.
Yeah.
Ah.
He doesn't like that. You don't have to turn him. That's top about it. Blue tail.
Take it. Right on. Keep this one, Jim.
That's it, yeah. Throw the little one back. That's a big
Switch that one out. Alright. I'll remind that one back. All kinds of cool spots.
Yeah, a little bit.
He's coming at you. He's swimming at you. I'll get my line out of the way. That's another big one.
Which side are you gonna be on, man?
Huh?
Side. On the right side. Hey, boy. Attaboy.
Yeah, that's right. Getting the big ones. That one's.
He catches like 3 more. I mean,
Well, one more.
I know.
Well, actually, 4 would be the limit because you could keep one too, right, Ozzy?
yes and no.
Alright, Trey. Golly, buddy. You're on today.
Let's do it right back for a trade. Right where it's like, that's a good 30. 27. 27, let's say.
Hold it right here. There you go. Throw that rod down.
Oh, yeah.
Good one.
stuff. That's a good one.
Golly, Trey.
A big one.
Going
Pass that rock. It's gonna be tricky for you.
up high. Up high. Keep on the surface as best you can.
That's a good fish.
one. That's a big one. Yeah,
Nice and slow, nice and easy. Try to get him to swim past those rocks instead of going right over the top. If we can, we want him to go that way or this way, but we're just gonna have to kind of slow play him. Keep that rod tip up because he's right in front.
I think it's wrapped.
Reel. Yeah. Pressure on, try to get his head up.
Yeah, look at that. Wow. Great stuff.
Get his head up. Nice and easy. Let him go that way, yep. There you go. There you go. Good.
I hope you
I
don't start
seen-
the boat right now.
I seen something moving over there, and I thought it was your bait, you know, and then I was watching it.
Is it a shark?
No, it's a red, good sized
Really?
red.
Oh. Holy shit. Good stuff. Nice job. Good lord, Trek. That's definitely funny. You're definitely keeping him.
25 right there, 26, 25.
Good shit. Good stuff.
Coming all the way up to the boat with it, caught you off guard.
Well, you know what's funny is when I was reeling in,
Yeah, watch all the way down. You just lift.
21.
Thank God.
Yes, sir. Good job. There you go. You got grass
I
floating.
almost thought it swim.
Yep. You gotta get tight because that grass has got a big loop in it. There you go. You got the TV drag?
Try to lift your line.
There you go.
Decent.
Now on the boat, yeah.
Good little fighter.
Alright. Nicely done, Jim.
You swallow it. See, I let him eat it way too
Yeah.
long.
I was just saying that grass floating,
It's hard to tell.
it was caught on the line, so he picked it up and was swimming. Big, right